Okay. Got this cha-cha style. There we go. See how it sounds like, hey? I hit the plug. Good? You don't have this drum, huh?
On the 900, I didn't have it.
Oh, shit. Plug it in, turn it back. And put on max.
Oh, speaker.
How you turn it off?
Utility.
Speaker. It says handphone switch off. Okay, face it to me. You put on max?
Oh, feel it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. ลืมใจจริงๆรักผู้หญิงยิ่งก็ไม่สนเราในคนจนน้ำจะไม่มองเราคนจนไหลเงินไหลเรือนไหลทองสร้างอะไรนอน good? Stop plugging it in when I'm playing.
That's all expensive.
I don't care for expense right now. I'm focusing on the preset first. Is yours?
Yeah.
You might not lose it. Pull all the stuff back.
That's mine.
Don't put your phone on this thing no more, okay? It's not a thing for you to play around with. Boy, it's not hella good. Oh,
Let me try.
no, not yet. It sounds good though? It's a preset? See, I like it like this.
Let me try it.
Sounds hella good.
That's wrong.
There you go. Sit down. Turn the style down a little bit.
Oh, look at that.
Start to the left.
Look at that.
Put some effects, bro. Play all the new sounds. Clean your hands. Put up powerful, see how strong it sounds. EQ. Oh, there you go.
That's what
That's good, right? Oh yeah. Get it, cuz. Get it, cuz. Get it, cuz. I'm hood, man. Guitar. New guitar. Rock guitar. Sounds good, huh? Sound better? Go.
Hear it?
Yeah, keep going. Slap. Sound better? How come so loud, this one? Turn this down lower. No, the voice side. Did you edit it earlier?
Yeah, I turned
Just leave it at 90. Yeah. What's the phone at? Gotta make sure it's not distorted.
It is distorted. The speaker's distorted.
No, it's not on your phone. I want to see it live. Make sure it's not. Make sure it's not distorted. Did you put my speaker on max?
Yeah. Clear.
Let's play, yeah. Let's go. That's good. Play, go. Play.
Oh,
Is that my friend?
he's my friend.
He's a lot man.
Oh, he did.
Keep going. Keep playing.
I'm playing slow.
Save this beat in the keyboard. Save it in the keyboard.
Oh, this way better in here.
Huh?
Everything is way better.
Yeah, but your hand cannot be that sticky when you're touching it. You hear me? Oh, your buddy watching, Mason. Is that Mason?
Yeah, no, that's not him.
There's the other guy.
Oh, that's Camden.
Camden, what's up, bro? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! He ain't playing, boy. He ain't playing, man. He ain't playing. No, we don't need expansion, man. We just use preset. What's taking you so long?
I'm gonna find this time.
I don't think it's plugged in, dude. No. I thought you want slow.
I want the slow. Slow.
What do you want to put slow for? You want to try the beat out? Use my slow. You pull my USB out?
Yeah.
No, it's still in there, bro. 60 pop, bro. That's not the one, bro. Just put 60 in him, space JS. That's preset, isn't it?
No, that's mine. It's my style.
Well, we'll use it as use a new drum. Use a new drum. Use both of it. That's the new drum. Woo! This shit sounds sexy as fuck. All preset for now. Sounds good, bro. Come on, change it up. I like the rock guitar. Use the new guitars. The new shit. The style's too loud, take the style down. Where the fuck is mine at? I don't hear the pom-pom sound. I don't hear pom-pom. Where's the tum-tum? Where's the tum-tum? There we go, way better. Woo! All right. Make sure you focus on that. Don't shake too much. Hold it tight. Okay. Slow, Bobby. Where's that side one at?
It's in folder.
You gotta focus on this because you're making people dizzy. What is it? How do you? What is it?
My other USB. The one.
The one that you pull out?
No.
Make sure you're not killing people, bro. You're gonna make people throw up. Which one is it? Is there a folder somewhere?
Yep, there's not, but in the search right there, level 4. Press OK.
You gotta press OK?
Yeah, you gotta press OK for it.
Dude, why are you... Dude, people are trying to watch you, bro. You gotta focus, bro. And don't drop the phone. Make sure they can see the stuff, bro. Turn up preset drum. See, any sounds better with tom-tom for loud music. Ooh, I like this shit.
Put pop.
I don't like pop. Why do you like pop so much?
Because it's rock.
More soft?
Yeah, more soft.
I like punchy. Okay, this is song. Okay, it's on like this now. Ooh.
That's loud. You can put the guitar and everything.
Oh.
The side stuff is all in expansion.
Did they see us?
Yeah.
I'm sure they see us. Bass, put a bass there. There should be some new bass in here.
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds good.
E-guitar.
What's the E one? Oh, there's 2 guitars now?
Yeah.
Ooh. Fresh, huh?
Yeah.
This one's the pad. I don't want that. I want pad. I want regular strings. Did they see us?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so loud. What's this?
I don't know.
Is it a guitar?
No. Just extra.
What extra is it?
Just put. Yeah.
Oh, I want the guitar. Oh, the fucking. Is anybody watching?
No. Yeah, 3 people.
Where's the saxophone, bro?
Saxophone's a woodwind.
There we go. This one a light right here?
Yeah. That's the one you love. Wait. It already be in the chorus too.
Nope. Nope. It's not in there, bro. It's not in there. That's why.
Woodwind.
Oh, like that?
Yeah.
This is nothing though. The first one.
And then look the new.
Two hand?
Yeah. No, look.
Oh.
D, no. Look, D to D, look. It goes up when you go D and D. Like that.
Drums too low. There we go. Anybody watching?
Yeah.
How many?
3 people still. Why on Friends? Why on Friends?
How'd you go to make the sound louder? Right here?
Yeah, and then voice set.
No, voice edit.
Voice, yeah, voice.
Okay, I love this sound. No. These are new. These three are new. Hey, can you focus, bro? Like this? You gotta make people throw up, man.
Those are all new.
You sure that shit's all the way max?
Yeah.
It should be louder than that.
It's the voice. Yeah.
Hella?
3 people still. got this keyboard too. I'm glad.
Who said that?
Me. This keyboard's good.
You better thank your dad, bro.
Yeah. You're saving user. Press user.
คิดถึงที่น้อยคิดน้อยกับนิ้วหลังน้ำหลังนิ้ว
Oh.
What? Can people see?
Yeah, people can
Don't
see.
just put it on my fucking leg all day. Which one's the new one? This one?
No one.
Guitar. No, I want guitar. Like rock. What is it? What's that? What do you do that for? Is this new?
Yeah, those are new. Wait, take it off. Press 2. Wait. Check Guitar Hero.
What?
Let's try this one. You press on the key. Don't press on the key.
Why not?
Don't press on it. Press 1. Yeah. Audio quality way better.
Huh?
Audio quality way better.
watching?
No, not anymore.
Why not?
Billy was watching too. Billy was watching too.
Who's that?
Billy?
They're probably still watching.
No, they're not.
Too strong, man. Okay, what else we got? Where's my money pulpit? What's the Vine Pope that we had? The last one we got. Is that the second one? Is that the Boom Boom?
Yeah, but yeah, it's a little expansion.
No, you know.
I didn't.
No, it still works.
That's the.
Hurry up, man. Check it ourselves. See, it works.
This one before.
Oh yeah, we're better.
I don't hear the snare.
It's okay. Too much fucking roll. Good though.
Yeah, it's too much roll because it's real.
What the fuck?
What? The bass? Might be bass. Bass.
That's bass?
I think so. There's a lot of others too. Look, we're on the drum. There's a lot of others too. You gotta keep looking.
No, new stuff, new stuff. Dude, you're just videoing my arm. Nobody want to see my arm, bro. Come on, focus, son. It's all old shit. It's not new shit. Maybe that one. Oh, this sounds good. Yeah, just that one. Anybody watching?
3 people.
You're watching, huh? Man, this shit sounds good as fuck. We just gotta edit the styles. Stop touching. I don't want oil on here.
There's no oil.
Stop rubbing. It doesn't matter. You sweat. You're gonna touch all oil. Do not ever put your phone on this. You hear me? It's not a toy. It's not a table. is mine?
Yeah.
I know, but the ones in there, you didn't put it in.
In your keyboard, I didn't put it in.
This one doesn't have to kick that.
It's all balanced.
Ooh.
Turn it up.
Why is that 2 phases? Extra shit?
Yeah, you put it in there. That's...
I don't know why.
Wait. It's the... This keyboard has 2018 megabytes of expansion.
Where's the bass? Which Arabic tape was it again?
Arabic. Oh, right there. That one sounds good.
Oh, that sounds good too.
That's the one that Black Rain used.
Yeah. No, that's it now.
H3.
Which air brake was it again?
Arabic hit something one.
Watch out, you see? It's not that, watch out.
Wait.
That one?
Hella loud.
I know, too loud. boost it. Are you watching this?
No.
No, like on the screen. You gotta be watching that, bro.
Yeah, I'm watching that.
I like this sound.
Turn it off. Turn it off, because we're doing stuff right now. You don't want to be here, then don't be here. Where's my shit? No better? Or this one?
Rock has better cowbell.
No, which one's better? Snare.
That is better.
This one has better snare?
Yeah.
Now it's gonna be balanced. Over here, user. Bam. No, this one should be good now. See? It's not my mic now. Yeah?
What?
It's on my shit now. It sounds like your toy's daughter's wedding.
Yeah.
Remember? Right? Remember?
Yeah.
Alright. Keep my hope. Here we go.
The keys feel like Charles 5.
Are you sure that's max?
Yeah.
Is it boosted?
Always sounded like that.
Anybody watching?
3 people.
3?
Yeah.
Still? It sounds fresh, bro. It might come in.
Calvin was watching. He was watching.
There's too many echo on this shit. How to turn it off? Okay.
Effect.
Oh, no. Is that? phone stand.
Huh?
The phone stand.นี่เป็นอสรดอรักนั้นอยากมันไม่เดินเดินเดินเดินเดินเดินเดิOh yeah. You better hold it like that? No, like this easier. Hold it. I'm fixing style for you right now. To make it sound like mine. Are you big on my legs? I don't like that. What are you doing?
A video here.
Sound better. Sound better.
I don't know.
Hey, focus.
I am fucking.
still watching?
Yeah.
We gotta start saving this shit so we don't have to, the sound. So we don't have to keep looking for it. Was that in user?
Yeah. You just saved it.
In user, right?
Yeah.
No, I don't see it.
What?
Lift it up. Lift it up.
What?
Who's watching?
I can't see no more.
You can't see people no more?
I see people. I don't see the pictures. Just piles watching earlier.
So JS is new?
Yes, yeah.
Ooh, I like that sound. Am I watching?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah. And we already saved that. We already saved that style, right?
Yeah, we did. I think so.
Oh, we saved it because I turned it up. Yeah, that's how you get all the fucking nice styles. I really love this fucking song. Where is... You sleep?
What?
You wanna sleep?
No.
Hey! Oh-wee. Now we're gonna make everything balanced like that, right? That way we just go like that. What's the favorite one right here?
That's your favorite thing.
You don't like the pop one?
What?
You don't like the pop one?
I didn't even use. That's your favorite. The ballad one. That's your favorite.
You sure about that?
Yeah, that's yours.
Guaranteed.
You said you wanted it so bad that you wanted Taos 4.
Ooh. Anybody else watching?
No.
Not yet? I think they're tired of us. See, any accordion?
Yeah.
Fresh accordion?
Right there, accordion, you see it? Look, right here.
Mexican. That was okay. That was okay too. I like that one. This one?
This sounds like catch on.
This one nice too. Just gotta boost it up, that's it. Watching?
Yeah.
Let's see. You can turn this shit down later when we play. What else do I need? What's my number one? Is my USB still there?
Yeah.
I get the new shit though.
What?
What's this?
The search. No.
Is this searching both?
Huh?
Or just one USB at a time?
Both, I think.
You sure?
Yeah.
No, that's flat, dude. I want mine, bro. I don't like yours.
That's not mine.
Garbage. Right there, the J one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop touching. I need you to video and focus. Garbage.
The 2016 ones, those are yours.
No, but still doesn't sound good, bro. Where's all my new stuff at?
Look in the USB.
Where's the B1 shit at?
You should too.
Stop, visiting other places, bro. This one better. Too loud, bro. Save that one.
Menu. Well, press user first.
Stop touching, man. Let's see what's going on. Where's the A? Where's my number one? Is that Emery?
It's the same thing.
No, it's different.
It's different. I'll play that one.
You can play the chords. Is your hand sticky?
No.
Is that 127 now?
Over here.
Hey, hold on. I'm trying to fix this shit.
Huh?
Go take a shower. Don't come in and try to talk. You sure that shit's turned all the way up?
Yeah.
You sure about that?
I think every changed the back.
I'll go change it because that gotta be louder than that. Make sure the boost is up. Hurry up. Put on max. With the boost up. I told you. I thought you said you turn on max. That's why it sounded distorted as hell. Idiot, bro. What's wrong with you, man? Hold this. That's why I sound hella low. Your ears are fucked up, man. You don't know what sounds good. Banging way harder now. Way better.
Try now.
No. You need to watch and learn, bro, what I'm doing. I can't believe it, man. Earlier you said, that's it. There's no way, dude. That's a power speaker. There's all this nice strings that.
Yeah, look,
hang up, hang up.
I still on you.
Hang up, hang up, hang up. Tag him, be like, hey, watch the live, bro. I'm busy.
I can't. He's already invited.
What?
He's already invited.
You don't have to invite him. Put at. Will you text? At. Pay attention, bro. You're lost.
It's not gonna look. When you look, there's not gonna be no modulation. I am.
Did he say anything?
No.
Why not?
He called me too.
Tell him you're busy. Call him back. It's yours. Well, don't let mine though.
Call him back with mine. Call him back with mine.
Yeah, tell him just watch the live. We're hella busy right now. A new style and a new keyboard.
Son's watching too.
Who the hell's that?
The son.
I really like make way too loud.
Yeah, see?
Yeah, because you had it hella low earlier.
A lot of people watching too. Still 3.
Still 3? Did the guy call back? Just talk, be like, hey, watch the live video. That's all you gotta say on your phone. On your phone, just talk with your mouth. You have a mouth, you know that? You know that? Oh, let's go. Tell him out. One more tight than the other?
Yeah.
Way more tighter?
Yeah.
Way tighter?
Yes. Cody watching.
Công chẳng hơi bị giờ công chẳng hơi bị giờ công đó là thật mong đó này hãy cứ có cái thế em biết về đấy cần chi cứ chi Wow, wow. You okay, Emmy? And Winnie, you okay? Hey, lay your dog in. Lay your dog in, please. Let's see. Oh, there we go. This one. Let him in. Oh. Hold this. What are you eating? สบายและเธอก็เข้าใจยังสบายเลือกได้กันทุกอย่างไปเดินฉันเดินเงินให้มันหลากหลายเลือกเดินทำอะไรสบายสบาย Oh yeah สบายสบาย Oh yeah What's up, Selena? Come on, man, come on. It's our new keyboard. Anh lại qua duyên mây, anh lại chạm duyên mây. Yeah,จะเสียจังไหมเชื่อฉันไหมด้วยตาอย่าเสียไม่และคุณอย่าไฟหัวใจมัวก้องไม้มัวเสียงตายขั้นต่อยที่ฉันหอยไม่ยันเหี่ยวเธอให้เองตะกักcác chân tỏi hàng hoa chân hoa nọ hoa ít đau tình sinh hát da 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 tan hiếu chạm cắn qua ya cam không đưa ya mình ham bất cứ nín sao dẻo mình nín mai cha làm phải đi nhé ba diều xí hăng phát diều khi mai sẽ xí mọi sự cảm gì hơn nói qua hay gì hơnตอนไม่ทำต้องให้เธอทำอย่าปล่อยฉันเสียลงฉันไหมไม่ใช่ที่ให้โดนนะอย่าละไม่รู้กันว่าอย่างนี้ก็รู้จะไหวก็จะไหวจะไหวWhoa, that's cool right there, bro. Sounds good, man. Regular drums. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. No, 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 no. Okay, okay, okay. Ow, 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 ow. Huh?
He called me.
Oh, fun? What do you say?
I told him what's the light, but he said he asked me about what's different.
A lot.
Huh?
Tell him a lot.
I did. I told him a lot.
We're not even using expansion yet. Tell him.
I know. I told him that.
Did he listen? What do you say? He can't tell difference?
Well, I don't know. He said he wanted about my 900.
No, it's gone.
I told him that. I told him my 900 is gone. But I told him my dad's gonna start doing like how he did the I-70.
That's it. Hey, hold this. Hold this.
Yeah. No, some of them. Some of them.
Stop touching the keyboard. I don't like it when you touch it too much. It's not a toy. It's not a blanket. What did he say?
He said she's still alive.
Is he still alive?
Get out.
What, Peppy? Ask him how it sounds. Text him. Talk to him. Why you talk to her like that? Peppy, come here. What?
No, I didn't.
Come on, focus.
I am focusing. I see it. How it sound? Sound good? You haven't even put on the expansion yet.
I need expansion. Hell.
Huh?
We don't need expansion. Come on.
My dad said I don't need expansion.
Who's that?
Candace. He still don't know how to use it yet.
That looks like a Geno's, too.
My dad says like, you know, the feeling is different than the 900. When you press on the key, it's different than the 900. Yeah. It's different.
Stop! Come here! Hey, video! You want to hear yourself crying? Stop. What? Sit right here. We have headphones on. Hey, take your dog out! Sit right here. Sit right there.
Way better now. Audio.
Hey, can people see?
Yeah.
These are my style. That sounds good, bro. Way better than that. Hear it? Punchy, huh?
You change cowbell.
What?
Change cowbell.
How?
Then you change it. Too deep.
No, it sounds good. I like it. Like that?
No.
Now only expensive than that. Actually, the studio did it.
Studio.
Ooh. Better?
Use hit hitters.
What's that? You better not scratch the screen. Do not ever put anything here. USB does not go here. It goes in your pocket. It goes on the side. This right here is expensive. Do not scratch it. What's the pack? Did you put all the good stuff in there?
Yeah.
You put the real kit too?
No, I don't have the real kit, PPF. I don't have that.
It should be in the computer. Where's it at? No, the pack they just made.
In my USB right here.
Take it out. Take one of your shit out.
Hold this.
You can go 3 octave down too. Were you able to pack size drum?
No.
Yeah, it doesn't work on PSR.
Where's my thing?
Come on, buddy.
920.
I don't think you loaded in, bro. What's going on? Don't be putting anything on the keyboard at all from now on. You hear me? This is not a table. You hear me? I see one little scratch. You're never touching it. Play Casio.
And when I load it, it's not gonna do no sound at all. So you gotta wait.
Don't be putting anything on the screen, on the speaker and shit, okay? The whole house. You got the whole house. It's not a table. Nothing goes on top of the keyboard at all. I see one little scratch. You're not touching it. You can play the Casio in the garage. Did you see any service pack? Firmware.
Yeah, I saw it.
Did you download it?
No.
Why not? Why not? You need to download it, so this shit's gonna take forever. You know that?
It always took forever when I loaded to the latest on my 900.
Go find it, dude. No, this shit's taking too long. I can't wait. Go get the other one. Download a service pack. I mean, firmware. What volume is it supposed to be at?
What?
What version is it supposed to be at? Look on your phone. You can see it.
Yeah, that's fine.
What version is on? You gotta talk to me. Come here.
1.10.
Ting Chang Chang. I don't know what that means. Ting Chang Wong?
1.10 version. That's
Stay right here. Where'd I find your stupid thing at? Utilities?
thing.
Your system stuff.
Where?
So it's supposed to be version what?
1.10. I don't know how they already put it on like that.
I know, they go download it. This is not 1.10. This is 1.0. Go get the other one. That's why it's gonna load hella long. go, bro. Bring the laptop in here.